Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add Calendly to Shopify. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So right here, I'm inside Calendly. And first we have to create an event by clicking on the blue button from the left-hand side. And here we choose the event type. So it doesn't really matter what you set here. I will just do one-on-one for the sake of this tutorial, and I will select next. Here we have to set an event name. So I will do Shopify test. We have to set the duration and the location type. And basically after we have chosen those, we can do or click on continue here. And we have to set a date from the calendar here. So I will set the date here and time will be 9 a.m. And I have successfully set it. Now what we have to do is click on this blue button to share it. And we will go to this last tab here that says add to website. And then we will do a pop-up widget. So after we click on pop-up widget, we will select continue. And this will generate code for us. We can choose the button background color and also the button text here. So I will do Hey Shopify for this. And basically after we have completed this, we will just click on copy code. After we have the code copied, we will go to Shopify. And here we have to go to online store. So from the online store page, if we scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see your current theme. And we have to click on customize, and I'll show you how you can add this Calendly link to your header. So as you can see right here under my header, I have the option to add a section. So just click on it. And here we will search for custom liquid if you don't see it. I will just choose custom liquid here, and just make sure you click on the custom liquid button and paste your code right here. So I'm going to right click and paste my code. And now if I click on save it, as you can see, I have my Hey Shopify Calendly button. I have created it and added it to my Shopify store. So that's basically how you can add Calendly to Shopify. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.